I have so much product stacked up in my garage. I wish there was a way to take advantage of that.
Kathy, have you been including your garage in your home office deduction? Do you store any products or business supplies elsewhere in your home?
Wait. Can I do that? I thought the deduction was only for inside the house. Tell me more, please.
Welcome back, YouTube community. Gabe here. Last week, we talked about your YouTube business and how to create a channel in your first video. If you remember, having a good introduction video is the key to joining a sharing community to grow your YouTube channel. There's a link below. Today, I want to talk about the home office deduction. You may want to get a calculator handy. And maybe a tape measure. So much of the home office deduction will be based on square footage of space used in the home for business. Shall we begin? So, Kathy, tell us about your YouTube business.
Well, Gabe, I've been doing direct sales of makeup products for a few years. Recently I set up a home studio in order to do makeup tutorials on my products. My YouTube channel has been great for promoting my products, and has helped boost sales.
I see. You have a direct marketing business, and a YouTube channel to help market your products. And you say you also have products stored in your garage?
Yes, in the garage. And in the spare bedroom where I do all my business activity.
Got it. Well, let me tell you about the home office deduction. If you use part of your home for business, you may be able to deduct expenses for the business use of your home. The home office deduction is available for homeowners and renters, and applies to all types of homes. There are two basic requirements for your home to qualify as a deduction. 1. Regular and exclusive use. 2. Principal place of your business. Let me explain further. If you use an extra room to run your business, you can take a home office deduction for that extra room. In terms of being your principal place of business, you need to show that you use your home substantially and regularly to conduct business. That is the case even if you have a separate outside location where you conduct business. You can deduct expenses for a separate freestanding structure, such as a studio, garage, or barn, if you use it exclusively and regularly for your business. The structure does not have to be your principal place of business or the only place where you meet patients, clients, or customers. If you have in-person meetings with patients, clients, or customers in your home in the normal course of your business, even though you also carry on business at another location, you can deduct your expenses for the part of your home used exclusively and regularly for business.
I rarely meet my customers in my home, but I do keep a separate bedroom in the home just for my business. I do not have any other fixed location where I conduct my business. I have my computer, customer files, and even my makeup studio for filming videos all in the same bedroom.
That's great, Kathy. But you mentioned having another concern? Your garage?
Yes. I store products in my garage. But it is not exclusively used for business. Isn't that a problem?
There are several criteria for deducting the storage of products as a home office deduction. 1. You sell products at wholesale or retail as your trade or business. 2. You keep the inventory or product samples in your home for use in your trade or business. 3. Your home is the only fixed location of your trade or business. 4. You use the storage space on a regular basis. 5. The space you use is a separately identifiable space suitable for storage. Since you have fixed shelving for your product storage, which is separately identifiable, you may add the area around your storage shelving to the rest of your home office business space. But now we have to break out our tape measure and calculators.
Calculator? I know you can take a percentage of the home space for a home office deduction.
You know that generally, deductions for a home office are based on the percentage of your home devoted to business use. So, if you use a whole room or part of a room for conducting your business, you need to figure out the percentage of your home devoted to your business activities. But as we determined before, storage space is also deductible. You may add to your bedroom any product storage space used in an outside closet or the garage.
I do use a hall closet for both my products and my filming equipment. Will that qualify?
Yes, Kathy. Your hall closet is being used exclusively for your business.
What if I cannot remember the total square footage of my home?
As for the total square footage of your home, there are resources like Zillow.com that can help you determine the total square footage of your home. From there, you just need to measure out your bedroom, hall closet and storage shelving area of your garage. Let's do an example. I see you are using a 3-foot by 3-foot area of your hall closet for storage. That 3 by 3-foot area comes to 9 square feet. Based on your measurements of the shelving space used in the garage, you have a 2-foot by 6-foot set of shelves. That 2 by 6-foot area comes to 12 square feet. Finally, the main home office in your spare bedroom comes to 10 by 12 feet or 120 square feet. According to Zillow.com, your home is 1,600 square feet. Now we can calculate the home office deduction percentage. The total home office usage is 141 square feet. Your total home is 1,600 square feet. Divide 141 by 1,600 and your total home office percentage is 8.8%. Without the hall closet or garage space, you would have only been taking 120 divided by 1,600 or just 7.5%.
I had been taking the home office deduction for a few years, but I never included the hall closet or garage before. Won't this increase my deduction from now on?
Yes, Kathy, it will. You still have to determine the actual expenses of your home office. These expenses may include mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, utilities, repairs, and depreciation. The larger percentage we calculated will allow for a larger deduction. But there is one item I will share. For tax years starting in 2013, you may use this simplified method for calculating the home office deduction. The highlights of the simplified method are: 1. Standard deduction of $5 per square foot of home used for business to a maximum of 300 square feet. 2. Allowable home-related itemized deductions may be claimed in full on Schedule A. For example, mortgage interest, real estate taxes. 3. No home depreciation deduction or later recapture of depreciation for the years the simplified option is used. Just remember, this simplified option does not change the criteria for who may claim a home office deduction. It merely simplifies the calculation and record-keeping requirements of the allowable deduction. So now that we know how to calculate the home office deduction percentage, and can see two methods of taking the deduction, let's discuss two last items. Where do we claim the home office deduction? And how much can we claim? The home office deduction is claimed on Form 8829. You may enter your square footage and related expenses there. The deduction calculated will appear on your Schedule C, reporting your self-employment income. However, be aware, the final calculation for the home office on Form 8829 using the regular method may not create or increase a net loss on Schedule C. Any excess home office deduction may be carried forward on Form 8829, and can reduce Schedule C income in future years. When you use this simplified method, there are no carry-forwards of excess home office deductions.
Do I have to use the same method every year, once I decide on which way to go?
You may choose either the simplified method or the regular method for calculating your home office deduction. Just make sure you report it on your timely filed return. You may not change it if you amend your return later. Also, be careful. There can be complicated depreciation considerations in switching methods year over year. Be sure to discuss that with your tax professional before you make changes to how you have been reporting your business income and expenses.
Thank you, Gabe. You have given me great information to consider. I will review my situation and make a few adjustments here and there. I appreciate your input.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help. So, in summary, there are two basic requirements for your home to qualify for a home office deduction. 1. Regular and exclusive use. 2. Principal place of your business. Once you calculate your home office percentage, there are two methods you may choose for claiming the home office deduction. The regular method will report your home office deduction on Form 8829. The deduction is limited to any self-employment net income you have. The excess deduction may be carried forward to future tax years. The simplified method will take a $5 per square foot deduction for your home office directly on Schedule C. Excess deductions are not carried forward. For a full explanation of tax deductions for your home office, refer to IRS Publication 587, Business Use of Your Home. Details on the simplified option can be found in Revenue Procedure 2013-13. Please use this information for educational purposes. Consult your tax professional or attorney for further guidance in your specific situation. I hope what I shared can help you better understand your YouTube business and the home office deduction rules. Please leave any questions in the comments section below. Let me know if there is a subject you would like to see a video on in the coming weeks. Please like and subscribe with a click to the thumbs up below. Have a great week. See you next week with more tips for your YouTube business. Cheers.